Today is Monday, June 30th, last trading day of June, and I want to take a look at Goldman Sachs, GS. Look at this chart right here. Obviously, the trend is up, as you can see from the blue square that I drew, right? Changed to up right in here. We had a nice run up. We pulled back. If you notice, today, Friday, and Thursday, look at these lows. These lows are identical, okay? We've got the same low. Now, how often on a daily chart do you see the lows identical, okay? The lows are 166.37, 166.37, and 166.37, all right? Key area, market could not break through that level. I believe now the market will definitely move higher from this point. I would have liked to have seen a pullback down into the blue action zone right in here before looking to buy it. But quite honestly, I don't think the market's going to move into that area. I think the market's got a higher probability of bouncing to the upside since we have not been able to break down through these lows. So I believe the 166.37, since it's held for 3 days straight, you don't see that very often on a daily chart, and the market's been able to penetrate up through the high of Friday, all right, I think we move higher from here. So I think the market I think this stock could be bought, or a call option. I'd go an August call option in the money, okay? I think this market moves higher, and I would expect the market to try to move right up to here, at least retest this high, maybe break through it, come back at least halfway from this high up in here down to this low. That's where I'd be looking for the market to move. So right now we're trading at 167.71. The stops, I would go just simply 10 cents below 166.37 to 166.27 would be the stop. Buying it anywhere in here, I think, is a good play. All right, let's quickly take a look at the E-mini S&P 500 futures market. And as you can see, the market today has been able to penetrate up through Friday, Thursday, and Wednesday's highs. Okay, we broke through that level, and we're getting real close to the all-time highs, which was put in place on June 24th. June 24th is the all-time high at that round number of 1960. So this week being 4th of July week, I don't think anything huge will happen, but I wouldn't be surprised if the market can come back and try to retest the all-time highs. But again, one of the biggest travel weeks of the year. I don't expect any huge movement up or down, so it's best to be ready and get positioned for either a break up through the highs, or if the market can't break through the highs, I think we come back down and try to retest that low that was put in place on June 12th at that 1917.5 down in here where this white horizontal line is. So we're looking for a retest of the high of 1960, and if we can't penetrate up through that level, I would expect a retest of, again, the 1917.5 level, okay? Hope that helps. Again, look at Goldman Sachs and see what you think. All right? I think the market goes higher from here. Hope that helps. Have a profitable day, and I'll be back with you tomorrow. Bye.